Hey everybody, this is Jay, and I'm making a video for you just to show you kind of how my car is set up. So right now I'm going to flip this around and let you see my car. So there's my car. It's a 2015 Prius. Priuses get great gas mileage, between 45 and 50 miles per gallon. As you can see, I drive for both Uber and Lyft. There's my identification there, like that. Okay. So let's see, let's go in the car here. So as we go in the car, what I do is, you'll see that right there, that's where my phone goes. Okay, so this, I looked at an attachment that goes to the windshield, but this goes into the vent, and it keeps it lower, and it's really solid, so the phone never jiggles at all. You'll see right over there, that's where I put some water. Down here, I usually have 3 waters ready to go. And then over here is another place that I can put water. Okay. Here's where I keep my Altoids and another water and tissue too. All right. And you'll see right down here, I have bags just in case somebody is sick. I don't want them to throw up in my car. And then I've got this is where I got some food in here, but this is the auxiliary music cable. So if somebody wants to play their own music, they can plug in their phone and we can listen to their music. So that's great. And then I've got that attachment there, which is this, which I use to power, let's see, where am I? Which I use to power my phone. But if a client says, you know, can I charge my phone? Most people seem to have iPhones. I just unplug mine and hand them this cord, and then they can charge their phone. So you want to be a full service provider. And that's it, and that's the view. So it's pretty simple to get your car set up. The only real thing that I purchased was the auxiliary cord, which cost me $10, and this device, which cost me $10, and I bought them both at Fry's Electronics. In the trunk, there's a little section in the trunk, and that's where I have about 24 waters just ready to go. So every couple of days I go to Walmart and pick up more waters. And that's about it. So that's the car setup. So thanks for watching my video on my car setup. I hope that helps you. If you're looking to become a driver, check out my referral codes below. Use those and they'll put some money into your account and also into my account, which would be great. There's also a link to my website where you will find a whole bunch of videos that I think you'll find helpful if you're looking to get involved with Uber or Lyft, or maybe you're already doing it, you're looking for a few more tips and techniques. And I look forward to seeing you on the road. Bye for now. This is Jay.